A fish is flying. A fish is flying. And a crow is swimming. Right? And a deer is trying to hunt a lion. And the lion is grazing the grasses. This is exactly going on in this world. यही चल रहा है इस दुनिया में. I'm not doing what I like to do. Right. Before a few seconds I was telling, what was that? A fish is flying. A fish is flying. And a crow is swimming. Right. And a deer is trying to hunt a lion. And the lion is grazing the grasses. This is exactly going on in this world. यही चल रहा है इस दुनिया में. Right. I'm not doing what I am supposed to do. मैं वो कर ही नहीं रहा हूँ जो मुझे करना चाहिए. Right. I'm not doing what am I supposed to do. I'm not doing what I like to do. I'm not doing what I love to do. I'm doing what others want me to do. Right, that's the biggest problem. That is why we are losing our original quality. We are losing our original quality. Right, and if you lose your original quality, I'm damn sure you're not going to be happy rest of your life. Right, okay. So understand the definition of success, okay, shared by Nafisha is actually subjective. Right, it means your definition of success may be different from mine, and your definition of success may be different from mine. So don't worry, okay? As she said, stay safe, be cool, and just chase your dream. And now I want to call Nafisha too, right? Okay, please show some respect.
Hello. How are you guys?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm also perfectly fine. So as you know that today I'm here to, I can say motivate you. I want to motivate you. And as you know that today I'm again here. And whenever I came here, I feel like I cannot explain you what I feel. So without wasting your precious time, we should start. So I want to talk about who is stopping you. What's stopping you? What's stopping you? I'm telling you, no one. Yes, no one is stopping you, only you are. Only you are stopping yourself to do. You don't have enough time. You don't have enough sleep. You don't have enough money. That thing is stopping you? No, it is not. Only you are stopping yourself to do something. You have desire. You have to do desire. You have to do something. You have desire to do something. But you are not able. I can say sometimes we want to do something, but we can't do. Sometimes we are not able to do. But you have to accept the truth, and the truth is you have time. Yes, my dear friends, you have time. You have desire, you have skills. You have that potential that you can do. Don't let anyone tell you you can't do. You can do. Just believe in yourself. You can do. I'm telling you again and again that you can do. Sometimes you feel less. And I just want to say that when you feel less, just close your eyes and think about your father. How much he is doing hard work for your bright future. How much he is doing hard work for you. When you feel less, just think about your father. Yes. Just think कि तुमने खुद से क्या वादा किया था. Just think what you want and what are you doing. If you have some dream, if you have some target, so just, I can say, just run from this. Life is not easy. It has to be made easy. जिंदगी आसान नहीं होती, इसे आसान बनानी पड़ती है, कुछ अंदाज से और कुछ नज़रअंदाज से. जिंदगी हमेशा तुम्हारे हिसाब से नहीं चलेगी. Sometimes you have to run as per the life. It is not important that every time what you want you will get. Sometimes you won't get anything, but you have to lose more things. It is the reality of life. Life is a full circle of happiness, sadness, and problems. Problem will always come and go. But you cannot stuck on that. You cannot run from that. You have to face the problem. You have to solve the problem. Because no one is going to give you anything in your life. No one is going to stand with you. You have to stand with yourself.
Nice.
You have to take risk for your dream. If today you won't take risk for your dream, so maybe when you be 16 or 70, then you will sit with regret, and then you think if you take little courage on that time, so today life would have been something else. Just remember one thing. If you will be silent, yes, I'm telling you, if you will be silent, so this world will never give you a chance to speak anything. Don't waste your time to take first step in your life. Yes, don't waste your time to take first step in your life. Yes, I know it is tough, but nothing in life ever easy, let me tell you that. Choices you make. I know it is tough, but after taking first step, it will be easy for you. जब मंजिल गुलाब हो तो कांटों से क्या डरना? Right? So I just wanna say कि just believe in yourself and do whatever you wanna do. You have desire, you have the quality, you are special. You have something special. There is something unique in you. Just find yourself inside you. Just find your potential. Just find your ability, what you can do. Nothing is impossible in this world. Yes, I'm telling you, nothing is impossible in this world. Impossible को गौर से देखो तो वो खुद ही कह रहा है कि I am possible. बस देखने का नजरिया बदलो. So, at the last, I want to say, when you feel less in the path of success, I'm not only about the path of success. I'm also about talking about I can say about life. When you feel less, so I just want to say, just think about your parents. And when you think about your parents, you will be continue. So thank you for listening.
So did you understand the difference? Did you find the difference? Last time and this time. Just a month ago, right? And now today, you find the difference. The statement what I like too much, that was, who is stopping you? Who is stopping you?
Right.
Stars, ye tare,
No.
lines of your hands, luck, right? Surroundings, family members, weather, seasons. Who is stopping you? What is stopping you? No one. One of the oldest student of this batch, and she is Miss Nafisha Nuran. Please give a huge round of applause to Miss Nafisha Nuran. Thank you. Yeah.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
How are you guys?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also perfectly fine. Welcome back to this beautiful session. Today I'm here to talk about very beautiful, very interesting topic, that is how you can basically brainwash yourself into being successful. Do you know what brainwash yourself is? It's about not just about law of attraction or assumptions or thinking, positive thinking. I'm thinking you are a successful person. No, it's all about brainwashing yourself. Basically doing 2 to 3 things on a daily basis, not just on a daily basis, basically fitting them into your brain and in blood. All right, these are the things that are going to come to you naturally. But so, what is success? Success, let me tell you the definition of success. Everybody, the definition of success is extremely different. You know, success is very subjective. If you're gonna ask to me, then I will tell you the definition of success is very subjective.
It is very stable.
And right now I'm not successful. You know, right now I'm not successful. Some may think I am successful because of lot of reason, because of this, because of that. And some may think I am not successful because
Right.
of lot of reason.
Right.
But for some, it can be having a nice car, nice home, nice family. And having a nice family, which is actually a very good thing. You know, I need to tell you one thing. If you want to ask what is success, if you want to ask what is success, it's a short term. No, just even a short term. It's a ending journey. But for some who is ambitious, who has ambition, it's for them, it's not ending journey. So I want to tell you some tips about success, how you can become successful in your life. Tip number first, you have to don't love the goal, love the process. Don't love the goal, love the process. It's important. Tip number 2, be clear. Be clear what you want in your life. Tip number 3, no emotion. No emotion. Tip number 4, be fearless. Be fearless. Stay disciplined. Tip number 4, stay disciplined. Tip number 5, don't chase the girl. If you are a boy, don't chase the girl. If you are a girl, don't chase the boy. Thank you so much. Stay safe.